Crazy. Got these bitch NBA niggas in my DM pulling up on Big Six. Oh, I do that. Oh, that's perfect. These niggas ready to get my nigga. No, man, what it is though, man. Hold on, let me see. The nigga P Young and who be with, man, these niggas so I can't tweet with you niggas, man. I don't want no beef with you, man. You 4K Trey, man. I ain't got no problem with you, gang. You a little boy to me, man. You getting a little boy, man. You a little boy to me, little P Youngin. Little 4K Trey P Youngin. I'm just a bitch ass out, nigga. Ain't got shit going on. I keep a ski in that city though, shit get litty. Shit get litty. What y'all on, man? I be chilling, bro. But what I learned, you can't chill with these bitch ass niggas. You gotta be on go 24/7. 7 with these bitch ass niggas. Fuck NBA. NFL. I'm chilling, gang. He to my wish happy birthday. Man, these niggas, but then, man, listen, that Clubhouse out, man, that shit gonna get niggas. Hey. That Clubhouse out shit. That Clubhouse out shit, man, that shit gonna get niggas. What you calling my name on here for? Like, what the fuck? Nigga K-Talk tripping. Bitch say Valentine's Day advice, man. Listen, I ain't gonna count on 8. I just made this shit. If he ain't this, that hoe do not fucking care. Like, fuck these hoes. Don't spend your money you just made on these hoes. Don't spend shit you made on these hoes, man. These hoes gon' fuck. These hoes gon' fuck, man. You could have $1 million. That same hoe gon' fuck the same broke ass nigga that work at McDonald's. Not that ain't nothing wrong working at McDonald's, but you know, you get what I'm trying to say. I thought I lost my purse. Nah, everybody saying my real name on that bitch. Like, the fuck type police shit y'all on? How you deal with fake friends? Shit, you just gotta cut their ass off. That's how I deal with shit. I don't like.